Well, another great weekend. We drove all the way to go flying, and we got some little trouble. We are stuck on the outside. We can no longer get to the inside. So if anything goes wrong, it's a long way to the top. I gotta freaking walk, but shouldn't be too horrible. Got some Canadian geese over there that love us. Be back to you in a minute. All right, famous last words. I don't got any. Fuck it. I did it. We're on an adventure to go find. Why does it look like I'm staring off at the frickin' moon? Whatever. So I got to gotta play Drone Rescue 101.
We're having an adventure while having an adventure.
Yeah, it was. And I gotta thank a few people when I get home because they're lending me the ladder, and then we gotta drive back, rescue this thing. Oh, there's some cool things to dive here. Anyhow, so
Focus.
Yeah, focus. Get it. Gotta get it. So this will be story time when I get home, and of how the drone got on the roof.
To be continued.
Whew. That was a little bit of a rescue. Well, the good news is I recovered it. Bad news is had to run in with the bylaw people. Oh, you can't see, they're behind us. All good though. Got it. Going home.